Hello again, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. Now, I've had some children ask me to make a volcano. So we've been doing it a lot at kindergarten, which is lots of fun. So I thought I could show you how you could make it at home. So it's called a volcanic eruption, just like a volcano erupts and all the hot lava comes out, doesn't it? So I've got some bicarb soda, just like what we used a little bit in our muffins to help them to rise. I've got white vinegar. It looks like water, but if you open it and have a smell, oh, you can smell it's strong. A lot of people like to put it in their chips. Sometimes they're cooking. I've also got some more vinegar in here because usually I pour it from there, from the big bottle into a small one for my cooking. So I've only got a tiny bit left in here, so I'll use that first and see how we go. I've got some cups so that I can pour the vinegar in slowly. So I tried to find small cups because you don't want to pour too much vinegar and it goes everywhere really quickly. If you've got some little eyedroppers, we use that a lot at kinder to help your fingers, your fine motor skills, and help your fingers be able to move, and you can watch it go slower. I don't have any eyedroppers at my house, so I've got some small cups. Some little cups. You can also use a tablespoon or a little teaspoon as well. I've got my bicarb soda. You can use a spoon to put it down the bottom, but I'm going to use just a little cup. I'm going to put some around the cup, just so if the vinegar pours out, it's still going to come down the bottom, isn't it? So I want to have a talk to you first before we start. We are going to be watching a liquid and a gas. So which one do you think might be the gas? The bicarb soda or the vinegar? The bicarb soda is the gas. So once you mix a gas and a liquid, we're going to have an eruption here, okay? But this vinegar is a liquid. Can you see how it looks like water? It's very watery and you can pour it. What about water? I've got some water in a jug. Water is a liquid too. I can pour a liquid. See how I can pour it in there? That is a liquid. What about something like orange juice? Is orange juice a gas or a liquid? Orange juice is a liquid. You can pour orange juice into a glass and you can drink it like water. Some people do drink vinegar. You can pour that. But the bicarb soda is a gas. It is a powder. Sometimes we've talked about a gas, a liquid, and a solid. I know some people have been doing the ice painting. The ice cubes were a liquid. They were water. But we put the water into the freezer and it turned hard, really hard, and it was a solid. Just like if I get, what can I get that's a solid? I can get my candle. My candle is a solid. If I drop this, it will smash and it will break. Can I pour it? I can't pour it. But if I put the candle on and the candle melts, it would melt into a liquid, wouldn't it? So if it melts and if it's got heat coming, it would be a liquid. But it is a solid, just like the ice cube, just like if we put water into the freezer, it will turn into a solid. What if I put butter into the freezer? Would it melt or would it go hard? It would go hard, wouldn't it? It would go really hard. If I put the butter into the microwave, does it freeze or does it melt? It melts. If you put the butter into the microwave, it would turn into a liquid, just like we melted some butter, I think for our cookies, we melted some butter. in the microwave. So then I poured that into the bowl and that became a liquid. So we're going to mix a gas, the bicarb soda. It's powder at the moment, but you will see how it's going to become a gas in the bowl. We're going to mix the bicarb soda and the liquid of vinegar into the bowl, and I want you to see if you can see the gas pop up, okay? We don't really need water at the moment, so I'm going to move that out of the way. I've got my vinegar, and if you've got a little cup, that would be good to use, and you can watch it all come up. If not, you can just do it in anything. You can do this experiment in a little bowl, you could do it in a little cup, anything, but I've put the cup inside the bowl so that if it comes out, it's not going to go all over my table, is it? It's going to stay in here. So I'm going to do it in the cup. So I'm going to scoop my bicarb soda into the cup. Can you see it in the cup? That way, if a gas comes out, like a volcanic eruption, it's going to come out into the bowl and it's not going to go everywhere. So I've got my bicarb soda and I've got my vinegar. I'm going to move this vinegar out of the way. Okay, putting my vinegar in here. There's no gas inside the cup, it's just vinegar. Did you have a smell? Vinegar has a really strong smell, doesn't it? But watch what happens when I pour it into here. Whoa! Look at that gas coming out. Whoa! We made our own gas. You can hear it? I can hear and I can see all of these bubbles forming. And we made our own gas by mixing bicarb soda and vinegar, the liquid. I can still hear it. Would you like me to put it a little bit closer so you can see again? Okay, I'm going to use my other cup this time to pour bicarb soda on top. You can get bicarb soda from Coles or Woolworths, and Aldi sell it too. And same as vinegar. There's my bicarb soda. Okay. I'm going to pour the vinegar. You can use this slowly if you want to have a try. Remember not to pour it all too much, too quickly. Otherwise it's going to go everywhere and you'll miss watching all the gas slowly. So I'm going to pour a little bit. And hopefully you can hear and you can see it all coming. I'll hold it up a little bit. Whoa. Oh, I could see all the gas bubbles. And I can hear it too. If you have food dye, you can put red with the bicarb soda, with just one drop onto the powder before you put the vinegar, and it will be a red hot lava. If you don't have red, that's okay. You're still going to get plenty of gas, so it doesn't matter. I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy this science experiment. And if you want to do some more science or some more talking about gas, liquids or solids, let me know and we can do some more experiments, okay? I hope you enjoy. Have a great day and send me some pictures if you do make anything. Have a great day. Bye.